Hey YouTube, this is CoreFan101 signing in. Today I'll be doing part 2 of the LEGO Racers boat. This is the bad guy's boat, and these are the pieces you're gonna need. So I showed you the box in the first video, so I'm just gonna get started right away on building this. And I'll be doing a quick review at the end of the video. Both individual pieces heading on. Rectangle piece right on top. Got a brick here, 4x2. Got some stickers here on both these. This boat has a few stickers, not as many as the other one. So you have the stickers, so the little one is there, and then the other one, the longer one, is on. Okay, flip it upside down. Two of these, which are pretty weird because it only has like one square to connect to, and it's 4 to connect on top of it. Just like that. Flip it on the right side up. Okay, one of these, it's the same thing, but it has 2 instead of 1 on the bottom. And one of these. And this, I think, is in general easier to build than the other boat, the good guy boat. And this bad guy boat, I'll show you at the end, is a really cool feature. Okay. Got a 6x1 going right across. We got a sticker here, number 13 on both sides. Pop that right there. Got 2 little red studs on either side. Just like that. One of these. And I'll be connecting this in it. Pop it in, and this rotates 90 degrees. We got another sticker here. It's a flame skull thing. It's kind of I don't know, a little bit more intense of a sticker with the skull thing, because usually the stickers don't really have any anything like that, and rotate it down. Okay, side piece here, so I'll set that there. This is a big, interestingly shaped piece. This kind of piece would be only for this set. You wouldn't really use it too often for other things, unless you're trying to build a boat exactly like this. A rectangular piece right across, and then that white piece right there. A sticker for both here. And I'll be placing one on each side. Okay. Well, I believe here, this is one of the last stickers in the set. It's a tile piece. Alright, now I'll be attaching it. Just right on like that. Not difficult to do. Steering wheel, it's yellow, which is not your normal color for a steering wheel, but that's the color it is. Just pop it in right there. 2 of these, and 2 of these pieces. Okay, leave that in that. These are interesting pieces. They're almost like saw chain-like pieces there. And you want the chain saw things pointing up and down vertical. And they can rotate if you do want to change it. Just like that. I added 2 more pieces with the sticker and then 2 tile square black pieces. Just like that. There, and there. That's a good piece. It's a nice piece to have. Two more of these. That pops in right there. and both of these white pieces on both sides, just like that. Okay, we got sticker number 13, just like that there. Okay. 6 of these to make it look more threatening almost for the evil guy, just to make him look more tough, and also it's kind of acts as the engine almost. And the special feature will be right on, it'll be attached to this thing. I'll show you that in a second here. Okay, 2 of those. And harpoon, it's pretty cool. Just stick it in like that. It fires pretty nice. So yeah, flip it upside down. Adding 3 of these round spherical things, like rounded edges. They're blue, and they move across hard surfaces and soft surfaces like carpet easier, which is nice. Okay, so a quick review here. This is what I built in the first part. Is the good guy. He has 2 facial expressions. Here's the bad guy. He also has 2 facial expressions, and they both have pretty cool helmets. They both look pretty cool. Just pop them in like that. Here's the shark. This comes with a set. Nothing taken out, nothing added to this entire set. Everything you see comes with a set. And here's the little flag. There's the cup. For the winner, I guess. Yeah, and so we got the bomb fish for this guy, and then you got the torpedo, and it's like a violent race. In my opinion, this is almost more powerful just because it's just bigger, and these things add a lot of protection just in general. And this fish also is like explosive. And this harpoon, not explosive. So yeah, but I like them both a lot. They had lots of stickers, lots of nice detail to everything. Yeah, so I highly recommend this set. It's really fun. It's really cool. This is CoreFan101 signing out. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.